to do the things, right? It's a lot easier to learn when somebody else has made those mistakes and paid for those lessons. I've been investing, somebody asked me, since 2012. Bought a large piece of land in 2012, turned around houses in 2014, and did 14 creative financing deals in 9 months. I love it, I love it, love it. Graham says that I was on YouTube talking about these options before case. I'm not exactly sure on that, but he's doing more of that now than I am. Y'all saw my little guy here earlier. I am focused on him and not on the YouTube, so y'all aren't. But Carl will tell you I have some great YouTube videos out there on these options for financing, all that stuff. Alright, we're doing a bunch of stuff. It's fantastic, blah, blah, blah. This is the first house I bought, and I don't know if we can walk through this one or not, but it's also wonderful. And I'm looking for fancy stuff, big stuff, industrial properties. We just bought a warehouse. Now, did you tell them about that? We just bought a warehouse in Loudon, and I'm looking for more warehouses, more truck shops. Okay, I like the big stuff these days, not so much houses. I'll buy some houses for the next time. I'm going to tell you that real estate is risky. You're going to hear a lot of real estate stories tonight, but remember, we're not accountants. This is not an accounting meeting. If you're here for accounting, you're in the wrong room. Okay? We're not attorneys. We're not giving you legal advice. And real estate is risky, but it's wonderful. All right? It's fun, and don't believe anything we say. Right? Cool? Okay, you can lose some things because they were true. They happened to us in real life. Now, y'all ready to make some money? Okay, fantastic. I got a lot of great speakers tonight. Again, though, we're not attorneys or accountants. Have your attorney and your accountant check out everything that you are doing. Cool? I talked to a lot of people that are brand new. That is wonderful. We love new investors. We love experienced investors. We love people that have lots of life experiences to bring to the group. So, the people that are going to be here talking tonight, they have lots of life experience that they're here to tell you about. Okay. You can trust what they say, but also do your own due diligence and check it. Alright. Kendra, you're going to be up first, next. Let's just go. Riley, ready? Other people aren't here. Nope. No, hold on. Robin, Ed. We have some, Riley, let me pass it out too. We have some sponsors, and I will tell you too, if you're looking for somebody to close your deals, Ed Anderson has closed 95% of those deals I told you about. He is an actual attorney, and he has a title company, Blue Ridge Title, and he will help you get your deals closed. If you are anywhere in Tennessee, he can travel to you and help you. He can do lots of great and wonderful things, and he does creative deals as well as regular real estate deals. That's better already. Did it cut off or what happened? I can give everybody Evan's information. It's Blue Ridge Title Company. He's in Morristown, but he will travel to you. I had a teacher that I was teaching how to do deals in Sevier County, and he went to her school on her planning period, so she didn't have to leave to close the deal. All right? Evan Anderson with Blue Ridge Title. He's one of our sponsors. And his partner is Rusty Faust. He's an attorney and an accountant. Wicked combination, right? Absolutely a blast. And he can talk to you like a regular person. So Rusty will help you set up your LLCs, set up your trusts, get